Hello, how are you? I hope you're wearing mask and gloves while doing the shoppings and stay safe, stay healthy, eat healthy. I bought the haul of CVS for this week, and rather than wasting more time of yours, let's go to deal one by one. So first deal is on Huggies and Eucerin. This is baby deal. So Huggies is this week 2 for 20, and when you buy 2 you will get back $5 extra bucks. Eucerin is spend 20 get $10 extra bucks. So these two Eucerins were marked as $9.99. They both are baby products at my store. They both are included in that. Not all of the product of Eucerin are included then. So before doing this shopping or before buying something, make sure that you get the right deal, you get the right product. Scan it on the right like Redbox machine, and if you don't have that one, then you can like search it on your CVS.com, and you will get that whether it is included in that deal or not. But I think it is only baby product that I found till now on that deal. So I used 2 coupons for Huggies, $1 each from scottbrand.com. I had a $3 diaper CRT. I had $5 off $30 baby CRT, and I used 2 coupons of $3.50 from Eucerin.com. So that reduces my total to $23. I rolled out $23 and got back $15 extra bucks, 5 for Huggies and 10 for Eucerin. That brings my total down to $8 out of pocket. Then I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards. I got 3,000 points for each of the Huggies, and then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. I got $1 each for both of the Huggies, making it $8 out of those apps, making them free of cost, free out of pocket. So these 4 products are free for me, and that's because all the CRTs. And if you have those CRTs, don't forget to combine them. That will really help you in reducing the price. Let's go to next deal. So next deal is oral care deal. On oral care, we have Crust this week. These 3D white crust, they are $6.99 each, and when you buy 2 you will get back $4 extra bucks. And other is Colgate. So Colgate, this mouthwash is $3.99, and when you buy 1 you will get back $2 extra bucks. They both are limit of 2, so I like reached the limit on both of them. So I purchased 2 Crust 3D white charcoal and 2 Crust 3D white gum detoxify. So that brought my total to $28. Then I had a $5 off 3 Crust send to cart coupon. I had $3 for 3D white charcoal for send to cart. I had $3 for gum detoxify as well. I had 2 CRTs. One is $4 of $14 crust, and other is $4 of $14 toothpaste CRT. These all CRTs reduced my total to $8.96. I got back $8 extra bucks, making it 96 cents. But story did not stop there. I submitted this to Ibotta. I got back $12 extra bucks for buying those 4 crust, making it $11 money maker. This is a good deal. If you have those CRTs, combine them. If you don't have both CRTs, you can do the first one, that you can buy 1 of each, 1 of the Crust 3D white charcoal and 1 of the gum detoxify, and don't forget to send the coupon to your card. That will reduce your total as well. On Colgate mouthwash, they were $3.99 this week. Then I used $1 from coupons.com and $1 from send to card, that is on CVS app, and I had a $2 off $6 CRT. That reduces my total to $3.98. I got back $4 extra bucks, making both of them free of cost. So let's go to next deal. So next is facial care deal. So facial care is Garnier and ROC. So Garnier is buy 1 get 1 40% off, and this is part of spend 25 get $10 gift card. So I purchased 2 micellar water and 1 scrub. That is $9.99 at my store. All of 3 actually are $9.99, but that $6, because of 40% off, the rescue was cost $6 only. That reduces my total to $25.98. Then I had 2 CRTs of $2 off micellar water. I had $5 of $20 CRT, Garnier CRT, and I used 3 coupons of $2 from coupons.com. That reduces my total to $10.98. I rolled off $11 and got back $10 extra bucks, making it $1 for all of them. And then ROC this week is 30% off on anything that is 30% off. So this ROC was $29.49 at my store, and after 30% off it was $20.65. I used it 2 CRT of $10. That reduces my total to 65 cent only for this ROC. But I had a facial CRT as well. I tried to use that, but it did not work out. And I checked online that that $5 or $22 facial CRT, that is not connecting to what do you call that that ROC. It's not going for that one, but it is going for other products like Cetaphil, Garnier, and others. So make sure before like using that coupon, or make sure before going for it, that if your CRTs are attaching or not, check it on your app or check it on your what do you call that CVS.com. That can definitely help you. So next deal is on cold drinks. The Coke products basically included buy one get one for free, and this Coke, Sprite, and 7-Up, they were $2.39 at my store. So I purchased these 4. So after buy one get one free, the both were 4.8 for all of them. And the sneakers, this is like most infamous deal, but unfortunately I had only one coupon at my app. So they were $139 at my store, and they are again part of buy one get one free. So I purchased 4 of them because of the coupon that buy 2 get 1 free. So I rolled off. So it reduces my total to $1.39. And the last deals are on the random products. So I purchased these 2 Sour Patch and the Smuckers. They both were $1.99. I think this is a decent price to have those 2 because like I love to eat the Sour Patch, and we definitely need the strawberry jam. So definitely it's a must-to deal if you have those extra bucks. Don't let them expire it. So they were expiring and I used them on this and the cold drinks. So definitely this is a decent deal that you can pull off. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Really appreciate it, and hope you like it. Hope this will help you in saving more. And don't forget to do Money Makers deal. That will help you next time to buy some groceries or maybe in some other products. That will be really helpful. Okay. Stay safe, stay cool, stay tuned. We will see you soon next week. Bye bye.